Which band we have to see? Second, we have to see convex structure. Convex structure of Himalayas. Third, we have to see orthoclinal plane. Fourth, we have to see Western Himalayas. Fifth, Eastern Himalayas. These are the characteristic features of what? Which one I said that? Kya? Himalayas. Syntaxian bend, convex structure of Himalayas, orthoclinal plane, Western Himalayas and Eastern Himalayas. These are the 5 features are there. First, if I am talking about this in a Eurasian plate, Eurasian continental plate, and you know that you must be knowing that Indian Gondwana plate ये पहले ही यहाँ से टूटकर मेडागास्कर बाहर हो गया था. This section was like this, but this section has been broken away. और इसी की वजह से I have made you to understand the formation of Western Ghats, Western Ghats. और इसी के बाद हम लोग ये further plate move further northward. Thereafter we have seen the Deccan Plateau formation, and then we have seen, I said that Lakshadweep formation, and the plate tectonic I have shown you there is a formation of what? Andaman and Nicobar Island due to the oceanic convergence, Indonesia and all formation. So this is a Syntaxian band. The first I said that Syntaxian band means U-turn kind of band. Syntaxian band का मतलब ये होता है U-turn kind of band. So here we have a U-turn, here we have a, so we have one Western Syntaxian band, and this Western Syntaxian band, if I say that, is Aravalli range, harder Aravalli range. This side is, I said, harder Aravalli range. Another I said that Eastern Syntaxian band. There is a harder, which one I said that? Meghalaya Plateau or Shillong Plateau. This side is, I said that Shillong Plateau. This is, I said, Aravalli. This is, I said that Shillong Plateau. Clear? Clear? Between Western Syntaxian band and Eastern Syntaxian band, there is a softer Vindhya, this one is what? Softer Vindhya range. Which one I said that? Between Western Syntaxian band and Eastern Syntaxian band there is a softer, which one I said that? Vindhya range. Softer Vindhya range. And then next point I said that this Indian Gondwana plate is in which structure? Triangular structure. Yes. In which the vertices, this is an Aravalli, this is an, I said that which one? Shillong. And there is a what? Southern tip apex. It is in which structure? Triangular structure. Indian Gondwana plate कैसा structure था? In which structure it is? Triangular structure. एंड सेलर, और यहाँ पे क्या हो गया, डिपोजिट ऑफ टेथिस जियोसिंक्लाइन एंड देन फाइनली ग्रेटर हिमालयस, मिडिल हिमालयस, शिवालिक हैज बीन फॉर्म्ड. Shall I remove? And then when it was formed, then I said that first western syntaxian bend collided with Eurasian continental plate. Yes. सबसे पहले कौन स्ट्राइक करेगा ये स्टेट में? वेस्टर्न सिंटैक्सियन बेंड कोलाइडेड विद ईस्टर्न सिंटैक्सियन, सॉरी, कोलाइडेड विद यूरोपियन यूरेशियन कॉन्टिनेंटल प्लेट. और यहां पे क्या बना जब ये कोलाइड किया? व्हेन इट हैज कोलाइडेड, then there is an, I said that Nanga Parvat, what is it? Which peak is it? River system बताते समय बताया था, there is an what? Nanga Parvat at the extreme of western syntaxian bend. Nanga Parvat peak. Also, and after that, इसकी वजह से क्या हुआ शिवालिक में? Because of this, we can be able to see the one it is not taken in a, this is an Himalayan formation is going on, but यहाँ पे कोई force वैसा नहीं लग रहा है, तो there is a formation of what? पोटवार, सुलेमान, किरथा, इधर भी दबा, लेकिन it is with a less force. आप ये बताओ कि if I am talking about I said that in actual practice, if you know that it is in an Indo-Australian plate and it was moving like this. तो जब ये move ऐसे कर रहा था तो सबसे ज़्यादा force किधर feel होगा? This section will feel the force. Understood? यहाँ पे भी होगा लेकिन comparatively less force. In this region there will be also force but less force. So therefore these mountain ranges are not Himalayas. This is only Himalayas. The Himalayas is only from this bend to this bend. Understood? Because they have got the complete continental convergence with the high force. So Nanga Parvat to Namcha Barwa peak it is there. So यहाँ पर क्या हुआ? Nanga Parvat peak and after that southward turn. यहाँ पे क्या बना? And this side is the Hindu Kush range. And then there is an, I said that क्या बना? Yes, Potwa, Suleiman, Kirthar, and this is, I said that, tell me, Hindu Kush. Understood? So the formation of southward turn, and this is, I said that, which one? Hindu Kush, पोटवार नहीं लिख रहा हूँ क्योंकि पोटवार इज अ पार्ट ऑफ, आई सेड अरावली. पोटवार इज अ पार्ट ऑफ अरावली, ध्यान में रखेंगे. अर्लियर इट इज, जब आप ज्यादा डीप में जाते हैं ज्योग्राफी, इट इज अ पार्ट ऑफ अरावली. हिंदू कुश, सुलेमान, बट दिस इज उसी समय बने जब हिमालयस बन रहा था, बट इट इज नॉट हिमालयस. समझ में आ गया व्हाई इट इज नॉट हिमालयस? द इंटेंसिटी ऑफ द फोर्स and then kind of convergence all are different. Understood? And Himalayas formation is only made by continental head on collision. Yes or no? Continental convergence head on collision. Understood it? Head on का मतलब सामने सामने, इधर continental इधर वाला continental नहीं. So there is an intensity of force is very high in this and there is a less in this region. So this is clear. Another portion, what happened? So we have talked about western syntaxian belt. Next one I said that eastern syntaxian belt. Thereafter I said that what? इसके बाद ये कोलाइड किया and what formed? नामचा बरवा पीक. और अच्छा यहाँ से ही गॉर्ज भी बना. यस, इंडस गॉर्ज. नांगा पर्वत के पास क्या लिख लेंगे ब्रैकेट में? एंड इंडस गॉर्ज. याद होगा आपको, मैंने बताया था देयर इज एन इंडस रिवर इज टेकिंग टर्न फ्रॉम देयर. इंडस गॉर्ज. सो नाउ ईस्टर्न syntaxian belt, and they have collided with the during the formation of Himalayas. सबसे ज्यादा फोर्स यहाँ पे दिया which Long Plateau, and that led to the formation of what? Namcha Barwa peak, and it is an eastern end of Himalayas. और if you remember that यहाँ से ही क्या हुआ? ब्रह्मपुत्रा रिवर has taken and it is a southward turn. और यहाँ पे कौन सा बना? कैनियन. इंडस, वहां पे इंडस गॉर्ज है. यहाँ पे क्या है? यारलंग सांगपो, यारलंग सांगपो कैनियन. और यहाँ के सारे माउंटेन्स खड़े हो, यहाँ पे माउंटेन्स बने. एंड दीज आर नामचा बरवा पिक. बट दिस माउंटेन रेंज विच हैज बीन फॉर्म्ड इन द नॉर्थ ईस्ट, Arakan Yoma and all, it is, I said that these are Arakan Yoma तो म्यांमार में चला गया, but we have to see Naga Hills, Patkai Boom, understood? Naga Hills, Patkai Boom, Manipur Hills, Mizoram में Mizo Lusai Hills, that is also Blue Mountain, Tripura Hills and other, all are known as the Mikir Hills, Kachar Hills in the Assam region and all, it is known as Purvanchal Hills. It is known as what? Which hills I said that? So this section is known as Purvanchal. तो यहाँ पे intensity of force and all are very different. Purvanchal. Yes. यहाँ से क्या हुआ? Southward turn of mountain. And what happened? Just tell me. Formation of Purvanchal. क्लियर? और आपको शायद ये दिख रहा हो कि जो मैं इंडियन गोंडवाना प्लेट ये जो जा रहा है, अब यहाँ पे ये ओशियन है, इंडियन गोंडवाना ओशियानिक प्लेट, और ये जो है यूरेशियन ओशियानिक प्लेट है, ये दोनों कन्वर्ज हो रहे हैं. तो ये अंडमान निकोबार कैसे बना है? ओशियानिक ओशियानिक कन्वर्जेंस, जिसमें ओशियन नीचे जाता है, जैसे द्रास एंड कोहिस्तान बना, वैसे ही द सेम वे अंडमान एंड निकोबार. एंड देन मिडिल सेक्शन इज विच वन? आई सेड दैट अरावली. इट इज इन अ सॉफ्टर, सॉरी अरावली बोल रहा हूं, विंध्या. इट इज व्हाट? सॉफ्टर. देयरफॉर इट पुश्ड साउथवर्ड. इट पुश्ड, जो सॉफ्टर हुआ वो क्या हो गया? दब गया. जो हार्डर हुआ ज्यादा एंट्री कर लिया. Getting my point? And then softer will what? The softer, the next point we are saying that convexial structure of what? Convex structure of Himalaya. Second, I said that convex, second point, convex structure of Himalayas. So किसके, why it is in a convex structure has been formed? This is in a convex. What is the reason behind? Yes, I said that after collision of Indian, लिख लेंगे, after collision of Indian Gondwana plate, after collision of Indian Gondwana plate with Eurasian plate, harder western syntaxian bed as Aravalli and harder eastern syntaxian bend as Shillong Plateau caused more thrust inward towards Eurasian plate or towards north, towards Eurasian plate or towards north. But in between these western and eastern syntaxian bend, softer Vindhya range during high collision pushed southward and become and created convex structure Understood? Next one, it is an orthoclinal plane. और कल भी मैंने बताया था. And then flood is also due to this. One of the feature that I said.